Imagine standing in a quiet, softly lit garage just before dawn. The air is still. Then the lights come on, and in front of you sits the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon. Not just a car, but a moment frozen in metal, motion, and emotion. This is Bugatti turning the page to a new chapter, inviting you to step inside the story. The first thing you feel is presence. The tourbillon doesn't shout for attention, it commands it. The body looks sculpted by the wind itself, every curve flowing with purpose. The horseshoe grille is still there, unmistakably Bugatti, but now it feels sharper, more focused, like a signature written with confidence. The LED headlights glow with a jewel-like intensity, slicing through the night with a cool, precise stare. As you walk around it, the carbon fiber surfaces catch the light differently at every angle, shifting from deep shadow to liquid shine. This car looks fast even when it's standing still, like it's holding its breath, waiting to be unleashed. Open the door and the outside world fades away. You don't just sit in the tourbillon, you descend into it. The cabin feels intimate, almost cocoon-like, yet undeniably grand. Your hands meet machine metal controls that feel cold, solid, and timeless. There's leather everywhere, rich and smooth, stitched with the kind of care you'd expect from a luxury timepiece rather than an automobile. Bugatti didn't chase screens for the sake of trend. Instead, they created an interior that feels eternal. Analog dials sit proudly at the center, designed to last 100 years, reminding you that this car isn't built for a moment, it's built for history. Settle into the driver's seat and everything feels perfectly aligned. The steering wheel fits your hands like it was shaped just for you. Visibility stretches wide across the hood, and you feel low, grounded, connected. Press the start button and the world changes. The new naturally aspirated V16 engine wakes up with a deep mechanical breath. There's no artificial drama here, just pure, raw sound. It doesn't scream immediately. It hums, rumbles, and then rises, building anticipation, like an orchestra tuning before a performance. On the road, the tourbillon feels alive. The acceleration isn't just fast, it's overwhelming in the most elegant way possible. Your back presses into the seat as the horizon rushes toward you. Yet everything feels controlled, precise. The hybrid system adds instant response, filling every gap with seamless power. Corners come and go with shocking ease. The car feels light on its feet, almost graceful, defying its own numbers. And the sound fills the cabin, echoing off buildings at night, bouncing back at you like the car is speaking its own language. Driving the tourbillon isn't about chasing speed alone, it's about emotion. It makes you feel special, focused, present. Every mile feels like an event. Every stoplight feels like a pause before the next act. People don't just look, they stare because they know they're witnessing something rare. And rarity comes with a price. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is expected to start around $4 million before customization, and customization is where Bugatti truly lets dreams run wild. Each car becomes a personal expression, tailored to the owner's vision, making no two tourbillons exactly alike. In the end, the Bugatti Tourbillon isn't trying to be the future of cars, it's trying to be timeless. It's a farewell to one era and a bold promise of another. And if you ever find yourself behind that wheel, even for a moment, you'll understand. This isn't just driving, this is living inside a masterpiece.